Road Hard is an environmentally safe biopolymer blend that hardens soils and makes them water resistant. It's easy to apply and very effective in making dirt and gravel roads operational year-round. Before adding Road Hard to the soil, the ground must be prepared as shown. First, till the area to be treated and pulverize the soil to the depth chosen. This depth may be as little as a 1/4 inch for dust control. 2 inches is generally sufficient for a top wear layer, and the depth may be greater to handle heavier or more frequent traffic. In this case, our desired depth will be 2 inches. Begin by breaking the soil surface with an agricultural disc or a tiller, or in this case by using the stripping teeth of the TR3 land grader. The TR3 is a multi-use grading tool made by ABI Attachments. Be sure to leave some room on the sides of the road to allow for water drainage. You can begin to shape the road by crowning it or by sloping it at this point. Use a front-end blade attachment or the blade on the TR3 for this. Redistributing the soil may be necessary at this point to ensure good runoff. Following the shaping of the road, use a finer set of tines or the TR3 rake attachment to pulverize the soil's clods. This will ensure that when Road Hard is applied and mixed into the soil bed, it will bind to the greatest number of soil particles. The powdered Road Hard product is then loaded into the drop spreader. A sturdy lime spreader is a good choice for this piece of equipment. Next, ensure that an even distribution of Road Hard, approximately a 1/4 inch or 1/2 centimeter deep, is applied on the first pass. This will allow you to gauge how much product to apply for each pass of the area to be treated. Once the full amount of Road Hard has been applied, mix the Road Hard into the soil using the rake attachment or a tiller. You can use a serpentine drag pattern to ensure a better mix. When the product is evenly distributed, the soil should look like this. The soil is now ready to have the Road Hard additive applied in a water solution. To do this, we will mix the dry crystallized additive with water at a rate of 12 ounces to every 250 gallons of water, or 370 grams for every 1,000 liters of water. Prior to spraying, circulate the water solution by using a water pump for a period of 10 minutes. Any sized water truck or water trailer can produce good results. In this case, we are demonstrating how a smaller spray rig might be constructed for use with a pickup truck. Number 10 irrigation spray nozzles are used on the PVC spray bar. 25 to 30 psi is applied with a 2-inch diameter circulation pump. A 3 mile per hour speed is generally maintained during the application. The Road Hard water solution is generally applied at a rate of 2 quarts per square yard for every 2 inches of depth. This amounts to 2 liters per square meter for every 5 centimeters of depth. This can vary according to soil moisture content. What is important is that the soil be wetted to reach maximum compaction density. This will allow it to be compacted easily. Now, till the soil again to ensure that the Road Hard additive solution is equally distributed throughout the body of the soil. If the soil dries too quickly to reach maximum compaction density, simply reapply the Road Hard additive solution. You can usually tell if your soil is ready to be compacted by gathering a handful of soil and squeezing it. The soil should form a solid clump that holds together once released. Our final step is to compact the soil. A 3.5 ton or heavier vibrator roller compactor is preferred. However, lighter machinery can also do the job with just a few more passes. Allow the body of soil to dry for 2 hours before admitting passenger vehicles onto the surface. Wait until the soil bed is completely dry before allowing large commercial vehicles and trucks. Drying can often take several hours, and weather and temperature play a large part in determining the time needed to dry. The treated soil should achieve a compressive strength of approximately 100 psi after the first 2 hours. The road will continue to cure and harden for several weeks, eventually reaching compressive rates as high as 1100 psi. Future rains may soften the road slightly. However, the soil will revert back to its hardened state soon after it begins to dry. Road Hard will keep your dirt and gravel road intact even under extreme rains, snow, and changes in temperature.